feeling gratitude and not expressing. It is like wrapping a present and not giving it. We must grateful to people who make us happy because they are the charming gardeners who make our souls blossom. A warm and graceful morning to the Honorable Chief Guest, Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Sir, worthy teachers, non-teaching staff, parents and my dear fellow mates. This is Meenakshi from class 8 and I feel honored and privileged to stand before you to propose the vote of thanks on the celebration of Independence Day of our beloved country India. On behalf of Kendriya Vidyalaya Punjab Lines, I extend a hearty vote of thanks to our chief guest Mr. Dev Chaudhary, who spared time from his busiest schedule and graced the occasion. Thankfulness to our chairman sir Mr. Avyan Singh, who always gives us direction and motivation to try new ways to do things better. Thank you sir for being our inspiration. Thankfulness to our principal sir, who always being the backbone of our success. You are truly a great mentor and a guide for us. Thank you for your guidance and blessings. The value of school education is not the learning of many facts, but the training of the mind to think. I thank the teachers who have guided the students to perform and showcase their innate talents. Gandhiji once said that every home is a university and the parents are the teachers. Thank you to all the lovely parents. We are blessed with your presence. I would like to thank to all the students for presenting a sense of discipline and enthusiasm during the celebration. And once again, I thank you one and all for being part of the Independence Day celebrations and for glorifying the day. Thank you.